Court does call the case of the people versus Nikita Franklin.
Sir.
No. Good morning. No counsel.
Mr. Franklin, please state your name.
Nikita Franklin.
Teresa Player on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Franklin is before the court for a violation of probation. Mr. Franklin, Your Honor, has gotten everything done, excepting he still has a balance on his fines. He has maxed his probation term with this court. I can update the court. Mr. Franklin did make $120 payment today.
Okay.
So his new ending balance is $540. Since Mr. Franklin has been on probation, he has made a lot of big improvements. Given that he did complete the MRT program, he did stay in communication with me throughout all of the 2 years that he's been on. He's also, he attended WCC last year for 1 semester, starting the HVAC program. That he did complete it and pass. However, that was really stressful for him, so he's not pursuing it right now. He is working.
This right here is a turning point moment. The judge isn't just talking about school. He's breaking down the defendant's mindset. Overwhelm, confusion, pressure, it's all stacking up. But listen closely. If you don't do something, you'll do nothing. Question for you. Have you ever felt stuck like this, where doing nothing feels easier than trying and failing?
And $220 per month with a court review hearing on December 17th, 2024 at 1 p.m. for that docket to verify that you follow through with the payment plan set by the court.
All right. Mr. Franklin, anything you want to say?
It's just been a journey for me. It's been chaotic, but I just feel like when I was younger, I couldn't comply with probation, but it's getting better for me, and I don't want to do this no more, sir. But that's about it.
Okay. So why aren't you pursuing HVAC? You went to school, you did all of it, you passed it,
Yes, it was so much because you got to take a welding class, and it was so much. I just, I think I would pursue it after, I got the election and everything, see what's going on, and everything like that. I'm just trying to prepare myself and my children as well, sir,
Sounds like excuses. Didn't it? It did.
Hey, school is really I don't know. I don't know if school is for me, with the homework and it's so much. I would rather.
Here's the thing. I'm listening to you and I teach, so I hear you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But I think part of what's going through your head is you got yourself in this thing, don't know if that's for you. And so in this certain respect, that becomes overwhelming.
Yes, sir.
And then the other thing is that while you're there, you've seen other things that you hadn't seen before and seen other students that are doing things that you hadn't seen before.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So now you're trying to figure it out and all those things are flying around in your head. And the problem is if you don't do something, you'll do nothing.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So you're young. Get yourself back in school. Explore all of the things there. Something will ultimately hit you.
Yes, sir.
And then if you're lucky, and most people are in this respect, you'll find it, you'll love it, and that's what you'll do. And it may be something you never even thought that you would do. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
You can do it.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that, sir.
I'll discharge the defendant from probation with improvement. You paid the $120. When can you pay the next $100?
I get paid again October 18th.
October 18th?
And then so forth. I'm just every 2 weeks, it's a bi-weekly pay job.
Okay.
So I'm just jot it off.
Gotcha. So You can pay the 100 by the 18th, you think? Or
Yes, I can. I can.
Okay.
100 by the 18th, sir.
So pay the 100 by the 18th of October. And then what I'll do is I'll order. How many kids you have?
Honestly, sir,
Okay, let's start there.
I got 7 sons and 3 daughters. Seriously, it's been a,
10?
yeah, it's been a long road, sir.
Yeah.
Seriously. That's why I get up every day, go to work, tired. I be in critical sometimes, you know, critical condition, but I still
10
10.
and 7 boys.
Yep, 7 boys and 3 daughters.
You know what? You're going to figure it out. But I'm just going to tell you this if you haven't figured it out yet. The sons, although there are 7, are going to cost you less. All right. I'm just letting you know. Okay. Young man, are you going to be able to do?
It's
Are you? Listen,
child support.
just- I know.
It's
Just
going,
listen.
yes.
Are you going to be able to do the 220 a month?
It's
I
like
mean, realistically.
I owe 540, sir. Like I've been on probation for 2 years and I haven't I don't know how I couldn't finish this balance. Like sir, it took me 2 years to pay. I think I owe 1050 or something, 1050. And currently I owe 540 and I don't understand with life expenses and everything going on. I don't understand. But this is where I'm at today, 540. I really don't understand it. But I feel like I can. I feel like I can, I need to comply. I'm telling you I'm gonna comply, so I'm gonna do it, sir. That's what I'm gonna do.
Nikita, I'm asking you a question. Do you think you can pay the 220 a month? I'm asking you, what can you afford?
I feel like I can do it. If you I don't understand. I've been paying so much. It's been going,
With your child support, you can afford 220?
it's gonna put me in debt until I get paid again. But okay,
So what can you afford, Nikita?
that's I don't know. I don't know. Life happens.
Listen,
Everything happens. Anything can happen. I could get a call right now. It's anything. Since I don't know. Where my money is placed is basically anywhere. It's in the air. With all those children and life expenses, my money is just in the air. Seriously, sir. I don't know what I can afford. Seriously. And that's just being honest.
I know, and that's what I was trying to get you to say. Because
I apologize.
know,
I apologize.
no, you don't have to apologize. You just impressed me as the kind of guy that does what you got to do.
That's it.
And I appreciate that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you don't need to apologize. Somehow I can imagine trying to juggle with 10 kids. The reality is life is about you just do what you got to do.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So when anybody asks you the question, can you do it? It's hard for you to just say, maybe it's something else I got to do, because everything is kind of all over the place.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Am I wrong about any of that?
No, sir.
All right. So sometimes, Nikita, and I heard Miss Polera, she was just asking you, and sometimes you just got to say, I can't do this.
Seriously.
And that's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I mean, sometimes you can't.
I can't. Seriously, it's so hard. I don't. It's like a runathon, but I'm not. I'm not
You're
getting.
not getting any. You're not getting anywhere.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere. Nowhere, sir. I apologize, sir.
I don't think that that's entirely true, that you're not going anywhere. It just, for you, it feels like you're not going anywhere.
Yes, sir. I feel stagnant in one position.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you were told you had to pay the 220. To use the old phrase, kind of rob Peter, pay Paul, got the 120 up. But somewhere You don't have to tell me, but somewhere that 120 was supposed to be someplace else. And now you're trying to figure out how I'm going to get that 120 or whatever it is to do what I got to do that I took that from.
Seriously, sir, like gas money for the weekend.
I know.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Yeah, you just did that for me. I couldn't even, you just orchestrated that for me, sir. That's exactly, I just had to, like I was supposed to pay 220 and I had to ask for 120 just to, sir, you know what I'm saying? So that's
Because
amazing.
Nikita, you wanted to do the right thing. And I appreciate that.
I appreciate you, sir.
And but I couldn't do it all, but I was going to show you because I think you're a stand-up man.
I appreciate you, sir.
You just were going to do what I could. And so I can tell you what I can do. All right.
Mm.
So sometimes, Nikita, although you're scrambling around and you're doing that, sometimes that deserves some benefit.
I appreciate it.
Okay. So I'm discharging from probation with improvement. And you pay the $100 your check on the 18th, your next check is November 1st, right?
Yes, sir.
So pay that $100. Don't do it until November 1st because somehow or another you'll be scrambling trying to do whatever.
Okay.
Pay that $100 by November 1st, 2024. Here's what I'm going to do for you. But at some point you pay it forward, and maybe you can pay it forward with your kids. And because they're going to need something, you may not think they need it, but you just got to do it. And you just remember this day. You pay that $100 November 1st, and then I'm going to waive the rest of the balance. And then I don't need a review date.
That sounds amazing, sir. I appreciate you as well. Like, seriously.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I really appreciate you, sir.
You know what I should do?
Huh?
I should make you tell me the names of all 10 of those kids, but I know you're going to get about.
Wait, did he just say 10 kids? Now everything makes sense. Financial pressure, stress, exhaustion. This isn't just a regular case anymore. The judge instantly shifts tone because he realizes this guy isn't lazy, he's overwhelmed. Be honest, does this change how you see him?
Namir, and I have a Naomi.
Hold it. I had 2 Namirs.
2 Namirs?
Yeah, you duplicated. No, go on. Go on, Nikita.
That's what it was.
Oh, okay. All right. You take care, young man.